everyone, it's me Salwa, and today we're going to learn more about science. But actually, I have some jobs to do.
So I need to move a stone that placed in front of my house. But it's really big and heavy. There has to be something to do. Aha! Oh no.
So we're going to do a simple experiment with Simple Machine. Simple Machine is any structure that make our work easier. There are many types of Simple Machine, but today we're going to learn about lever. Lever basically look like this.
A long board that's balanced on something under it, and that's called fulcrum. So let's try this experiment using a small stone as our big stone, this smaller stone as the fulcrum, and the last one, this wood spoon, as the evert arm and load arm.
First of all, we're going to put the fulcrum in the middle, and then we put this, and then we push it. Okay. See, the stones goes up. That's very easy, right? But actually, there is even an easier way that we can do is to put the fulcrum closer.
So in this case, the easier way to use it is the farther from the fulcrum. Anyways guys, right now I'm going to cook some food.
But I need to leave the food so it doesn't burn. But it's very impossible if I use my hand, right? My hand will also burn. So we're going to use foot tongue, which actually one of lever example. This part is the fulcrum, the way from the fulcrum to the evert called evert arm. And also this is the evert. And this end called load that we use to lift our food. Well, along the fulcrum until the load called load arm. So I use this load point to lift up my foot. But you guys can make it easier by pressing the foot tongue closer to the load and farther from the fulcrum.
Whew, I'm done with my food. But now I still have thing to do.
So this is the fulcrum. Then this is the load arm and the load point. And all of us know that this is the evert and also the evert arm. How to use it is very easy. You only need to press the evert point, but which one is the easier one? The closer or the farther from the fulcrum? Let's try it. So the answer is the closer one from the fulcrum. So it's not really hard for you to use it, and you can reduce your time and energy.
Okay guys, I'm done cutting my nail. And I think that's all my work today. But wait, let me check it first. Oh my god, I just realized that tomorrow is my friend's birthday. So I'm gonna make her a birthday letter. But firstly, I need to cut this colorful paper. So I tried to cut it with my hand. But it looks very bad. What should I do?
How about the scissors? So this is the scissors. The fulcrum is in the middle. The evert is at these two holes. And lastly, the place where we put the paper, yaps, it's the load point. So to use these scissors, you need to put your hand closer from the fulcrum. Then, bingo! You did it! Let's see this. When we put our hand farther from the fulcrum, it will be harder.
After I cut this paper, I need to stick it together. But I don't know what should I do. So let's just find the information in internet.
After I searched in internet, then I found the answer. That is, so this thing we call it strapless, and here is the fulcrum at the end. Then the evert arm start from the fulcrum until the evert, and also the evert at the middle. Then we have the load point and also the load arm from the fulcrum until the load. After we put the paper, we press it and it works. But it's kind of still hard, right? It's even easier if we press it farther from the fulcrum.
Boom! It's even easier, right? so I can give this card to my friends. So I'm done with all my jobs. And how's the experiment? Easy, right? So what we can learn from this experiment is
Machine, especially lever, help us do something easier.
So yeah, hope you all get the lesson from today, and thank you very much for watching. Bye guys!